Hello everyone, myself Arju Singh and I am from Sun Marigold. Now I am going to explain the topic atom. So first of all, its definition. Atom are the basic building blocks of matter that make up everyday objects. Some atoms are capable of independent existence, while some are found in combination with atoms of same element or different elements. The first person who suggests the existence of atom was the Greek philosopher Democritus. He called the small pieces of matter atmos, the Greek word for indivisible. His atomic model was called a solid sphere model, as it was indivisible and indestructible. But this atomic theory by Democritus was denied by another Greek philosopher, Aristotle. Aristotle believed that the elements like air, water, fire, and earth were not made up of atoms, but they were continuously working. According to scientists, the first person who defined an element was John Dalton. He said that element was a pure substance made up of one type of particles known as atom. But at least 2500 years before John Dalton, Maharishi Karnad invented atomic theory. He stated that the smallest indivisible form of the matter is Parmanu. He even explained the dimensions, motions, and even the chemical reaction of Parmanu and its compound form. He explained all these things in a theory named quantum theory. There are three tiny particles of atom. These particles are mainly named as proton, neutron, and electron. Protons are charged positively, electrons are charged negatively, while neutrons do not carry any charge. Both protons and electrons are same in number in atom. Protons were discovered by E. Rutherford in the year 19009. Electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson in the year 18097, while neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick in the year 1932. The quantum theory tells that the group of two or more atoms of the same or different elements held together by chemical forces is known as molecule. For example, a molecule of water. If we add two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, we will get one molecule of water. Means H2 plus O is equal to H2O. Let us know what is difference between atoms and molecules. Atoms are made up of tiny particles mainly named as proton, electrons, and neutrons, while molecules are made up of atom itself. For example, water, H2O, and an example of atom is an atom of oxygen. Let us see some more compounds of atoms. When we add one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen, we will get NH3 or ammonia. When we add one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen, we will get CO2 or carbon dioxide. When we add one atom of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen, we will get CH4 or methane. When we add one atom of sulfur and two atoms of oxygen, we will get SO2 or sulfur dioxide. Thank you, ma'am.